up, YouTube? We're here on another day, just doing a thing. And here he is, the man of the hour. Oh, my bad. Sorry about that, YouTube. Here we go.
Can you stop it and start again?
Why? That was
Because
gold. That was gold.
Okay, so you guys looking at, the title, and you're like, what twist could you have to an oil change? I mean, with all the oil change videos out there, I mean, what can you add? It's not that big of a deal, but I just wanted to share this with people because I did it and it works. Just because, I kept telling, friends of mine, you can have every other oil free of charge. Well, you know what I mean by free of charge. You have to pay the shipping. Uh, but they're like, what? What do you mean? I'm like, FCPEuro. They have lifetime warranty on everything they sell, even oil change. And they're like, what? Doesn't make sense. It's got to be a scam somehow. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do it. And the reason you see the oil, it kind of gushes out a little bit and then it slows down is because I did not open the oil filler cap or the filter housing. The reason I like to do that is because I'm not working in my garage. I don't have one. When I go work in my friend's garage, I like to be careful. So sometimes if you don't have the pan aimed correctly and you open up the oil pan, bolt oil, ends up everywhere. So, you just got be careful. I mean, this is this is the way I do it. Obviously not everybody is the same. But this, as you can see in the video, it's, it comes out a little bit and then boom, you see it slow down. So you go on top, open up the filler cap, the filter housing, and even sometimes, I didn't do it in this video, but I think it's a good idea to do it. Some people put oil once they drain all the oil, and then they put a little oil in the oil filter housing. I think it's a good idea. I think you should do it because once you crank the car up, you start it. Those few seconds, for the oil to go all the way up, are crucial. That's the major wear and tear to the engine happens those few seconds before the oil is pushed all over the engine compartments. Yeah. So the oil I'm changing now is a kit that I previously bought from them. So I bought a new kit, which I'm gonna be using today, and then I'm gonna show you the process. Obviously, the oil change itself is really not the focus of this video, but I just wanted you to see that you can have every other oil free of charge, again minus the shipping. If you live anywhere close to their facility in Connecticut, I guess you can drop it off, so not have to worry about it. Cost me I think $21 to ship everything back. So you'll end up with like maybe 44 bucks as a credit in your FCPEuro, but I'll show you all of that in this video. So the main thing is how you can save money on your oil change. Some people might not care, others do care. Your average DIY guy might want to save some money here and there. So that's it. I just wanted to share this with everyone. If anyone is interested, then they'll get to see the process from beginning to end. When I got home, I realized that the caps, the small ones, the 1 quart, when I closed them back, they were kind of okay. The big one, the 5, was leaking. So when I got home, I was like, okay, I gotta find a way, because they're very clear, FCPEuro. They say if we get the return and oil is all over, they won't process it. So you really gotta make sure that it's not gonna leak. So the way I did it, I put glue around the caps. So you need to include that piece of paper. You need to put it inside the box, and don't forget the oil filter with the seals. Everything has to go back in that box. So yeah, I just used Gorilla Glue. Put them, and it did the trick.
And in this portion of the video, I'm just gonna show you, once you log into the FCPEuro account, how you're gonna process the lifetime claim. So you just log in. Now this is the home page. I'm already logged in. You go to the top right where it says My Account. Click on View Account. Then go to Return and Exchanges. Then just click on Begin Return. Then submit a lifetime guarantee replacement. And it helps if you remember the exact date. I think it's this one, September. Yeah, so you see, since it's a kit, it has it individually one by one, or you can just click on the first one, which will automatically check all the 3 boxes below that. So this is the whole kit. Then you have to pick a reason. So make sure you do lifetime replacement. There you go. It applies it for the whole kit. Okay, so you see where it says, right here where it says return order number. See, when you hover over the question mark, it tells you what it is. And it's actually the order of the latest one. See, you bought this order right here, then you used it. Then for you to do the apply to file for the lifetime warranty, you have to order a new kit, get it, use it. Then the old parts, in this case, the oil and the filter, then you take them and you send them back. So now in this field here, I'm gonna put the latest one because I just changed the oil. So I'm gonna put this order number right here because this is the latest one. So I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so just apply this to all of them. Okay, let me just check the number again one more time. 41, 47, 49, 834. Should be good. Okay, now you get this. So you have to print it, and then you're gonna pack this with the actual, the return items that you're sending back. In my case, it's the jugs of oil, used oil. So I'm gonna send them back with the filter, and I'm gonna make sure to include this inside. So I'm just gonna save it for now.
Now that we have processed the return and they have received it and approved it, how do we get the credit? So I did not get an email notifying me of a credit that was added to my account. I had to actually send an email to them, and they told me that it's already added to your account. And the way you find it is so right here we're on the website, and let's say I'm just gonna go pick an item. So we're gonna go, let's see, yeah, let's pick the first one. You add it to your cart, then go check out. This should be already pre-filled. Continue. Pick the shipping method that best suits you. And when you get to the payment page, then you'll see under store credit, it's right here. But remember, this is the price I paid for the kit when I bought it. But I had to pay, I believe it was 21, I'm pretty sure it was 21 and change, $21 to ship it back. So, you got to deduct that out of the 65. But I did not check this with FCPEuro if you can drop it off. but I'm pretty sure you can, because they do have pickup. You can order and pick up from there if you live in Connecticut, where they are. So maybe you can just drop it off instead of shipping it, and that's even better because you don't have to worry about the thing leaking and having to use glue and whatnot. So yeah, this is the whole process from beginning to end. I hope this video helps. If you like it, please hit the like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, but it hasn't been easy, and it is kind of also I haven't been putting out a lot of videos. But yeah, trying to get back to normal. So if you can just help me out and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.